Somewhere between a shifting trade war and a midnight production deadline, the smartest supply chains in the world quietly made a move. They moved closer. Today's OEMs are navigating a world of compressed margins, punishing tariff exposure, and supply chains that can unravel overnight. The pressure to reduce cost, manage risk, and still launch faster has never been greater. And the geography of manufacturing has never mattered more. AMFAS International turns that geography into strategy, engineering cost, risk, and complexity out of global supply chains and replacing them with something increasingly rare: predictable outcomes. The rules of trade have changed, and they will keep changing. Tariffs that didn't exist yesterday can reshape the economics of an entire product line tomorrow. AMFAS converts that volatility into a controllable variable. Using a structured HTS classification strategy, country of origin planning, and supply chain scenario modeling, we evaluate component manufacturing options across China, India, Mexico, Taiwan, and other regions, optimizing not just piece price, but total landed cost. By leveraging programs such as USMCA and aligning sourcing decisions, manufacturing steps, and compliance documentation from the very start, AMFAS helps customers legally reduce tariff exposure, protect margins, and stay ahead of trade conditions as they evolve. Integrating trade analysis into component fabrication decisions allows OEMs to compare scenarios, select the lowest risk pathway, and avoid costly duty surprises downstream. Nearshoring and vendor-managed inventory are powerful tools when executed strategically. Through a unique combination of warehousing, distribution, manufacturing, and assembly capabilities, AMFAS enables businesses to shift key logistics and production functions closer to U.S. customers, while capturing meaningful cost advantages sourced globally. AMFAS helps customers reduce lead times, improve working capital velocity, protect against disruption, and keep production running, even when global conditions shift. For example, take a precision electromechanical valve assembly built entirely within the AMFAS network. The plastic covers are fabricated at AMFAS facilities in India, where tooling capability, labor cost, and production scale are optimized. Valve components are forged and machined in China, while assembled printed circuit boards are fabricated in Mexico. Then every piece converges at AMFAS Ensenada, where final assembly, integration, and quality validation are completed, close to the U.S. customer on a compressed lead time. This is the AMFAS network advantage. Each region contributing what it does best, coordinated across a single engineered supply chain, so customers capture the cost efficiency of global fabrication without managing the complexity themselves. AMFAS International partners with OEMs as a business solution, engineering cost out of products, reducing risk across the supply chain, and creating predictable outcomes through strategic global fabrication. Our global manufacturing presence enables production decisions that drive down component price, balancing cost, capacity, scalability, and risk across regions. AMFAS validates supplier capacity early, aligns it to customer demand forecasts, and designs redundancy into the supply base. This proactive approach reduces single-source dependency, mitigates disruption risk, and gives customers confidence that supply can flex as markets, volumes, and conditions change. Cost reduction starts upstream, with design for manufacturability built in from the beginning. AMFAS engineers collaborate with customers to simplify designs, improve process capability, and increase first-pass yield. We reduce complexity, lower production cost, and improve reliability at scale, minimizing scrap, rework, and variability on the factory floor. By aligning demand signals with manufacturing and logistics planning, AMFAS helps streamline transportation, improve product availability, and reduce expedite costs for our customers. Risk mitigation is engineered into the new product process, starting at design. Using APQP, AMFAS applies a disciplined quality framework that controls each phase: design inputs, process development, product and process validation, and a stable ramp into production. So quality is built in, launches stay on schedule, and downstream surprises are reduced. The result is measurable business value, lower total cost, reduced risk, faster launches, and a supply chain engineered to perform under pressure. AMFAS International delivers more than parts. We deliver engineered business solutions across a disciplined global network.